We need to secure the front straps right here before we lift it.
Agreed. I've got the heavy-duty ones ready.
Make sure the angle on the ramps is shallow enough for the clearance at the back.
Keep coming, nice and slow. Watch the clearance on the right. All right, hold it right there. Stop. The rear chains are secure.
Front straps look good. All set back there.
Keep it coming straight, easy now.
Watch your clearance on the right side.
All right, hold it right there. Kill the air.
This scratch goes deep into the clear coat.
Okay, noted. The engine bay has signs of an oil leak, too.
Okay, easy down on the pads.
Looks good. Check the paint right here.
Tag this harness for the center stack.
All right. Are these clips separate from the main dash?
How are the console diagnostics looking?
Everything green here. The Verde Ithaca reflection is subtle, just as requested.
The Verde Ithaca reflections are sharp. Check the cutoff line on the driver's side.
Looks precise. All readings are within tolerance.